What if one of wood could create not just one product but two opportunity to make money? That's the idea behind double profit woodworking project. Instead of using valuable timber for just one item, we are looking at creative project where leftover piece of cuts and even parts of the first project can become something else. This approach is changing the way many makers think about woodworking. It's no longer just about building beautiful furniture, it's about using material wisely, reducing waste, creating more products, and finding more ways to earn from the same workshop. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to Decor Idea channel. Today we are going to explore woodworking ideas that combines creativity with smart material use. And you might be surprised by how much potential can be hidden inside what most people consider scrap. What does double profit mean? Double profit does not mean you are guaranteed to make twice as much money. Instead, it means looking for a way to get more value from the same materials and effort. Imagine building a table and using the remaining wood to make matching coasters. Now, you have a large product and small product from the same batch of timber. That's a much smarter way to think about your workshop. Start with the main product. Every good project should begin with a useful product people actually want. Think about tables, shelves, benches, organizers, planters, trays, or home decor. Once you have chosen the main product, look at the piece that will be left over. Instead of throwing them into waste bin, ask what can I make from these pieces. Table and match coasters. A simple wood table can produce several smaller products. Leftover pieces can become matching coasters. Now the customers is not just buying a table. You can offer a complete matching set. The smaller piece also help reduce material waste. Shelf and small wall hooks. Building a wooden wall shelf, don't stop there. Small offcut can become decorative hooks or small accessories. The result can be a complete wall organizer set. One design can create multiple products that look great together. Cutting board with wooden utensils. A large piece of suitable hardware can become a cutting board. Smaller section can potentially become simple kitchen accessories. Think of small survey pieces, utensil holders, or other suitable items. This is a great example of turning leftover materials into additional value. Bench and small side tables. Imagine building a wooden bench from several boards. If you plan the materials carefully, additional piece may be used to create small matching side tables. Now, you have created a coordinated furniture. Matching products can make your work look more professional. Bed and bedside shelves. A large furniture products can also create smaller complementary products. Build small, simple bed and use suitable leftover materials for matching bedside shelves. Customers often like products that already work together visually. Cabinet and storage box. Build a cabinet can live with small pieces. This piece can potentially become small storage box or organizer. Now, the leftovers material become part of another useful product. This is exactly the kind of thing that can make small workshop more efficient. Large shelf and mini shelves. Another clever idea is to create a large shelf and use a smaller piece from miniature shelves. This can be sold separately or as a matching set. You can create different sizes and give customers more choices. Reclaimed wood and multiple products. Reclaimed timber is especially interesting for this approach. Old boards often have different shape and size. Instead of forcing everything into one large product, sort the material by size. Large piece can become furniture, medium size piece can become shelves, small piece can become decor and accessories. This can dramatically improve how much useful material you get from a pile of reclaimed wood. Scrap wood organizer collection. Small scraps don't have to become one random project. Group them together and create a collection. Pen holders, phone stands, small trays, key holders, mini shelves. These products may be small, but they can be attractive and useful everyday items. Pallet wood furniture and small decors. Pallet wood can also be useful creatively. Large boards can become furniture. A smaller section can become sign, tray, planter, or decorative piece. The important thing is to use only suitable, safe, reclaimed materials. Create products that work together. One of the smartest strategies is creating products that natural belongs together. A coffee table and can have matching coasters. A desk can have a matching organizer. A bed can have matching shelves. A planter can have a matching plant stand. When products from collection, customers have more reason to buy more than one item. Make gift sets. Small woodworking products can also be combined into gift packages. Imagine a wooden tray with a matching coaster and a small candle holder. Instead of selling three separate, inexpensive items, you can create one attractive gift set. Presentation can make a huge difference. Use every useful offcuts. Here is a simple workshop habit that can make a big difference. Don't immediately throw away every small piece. Create separate storage area for useful offcuts. Keep similar size together. Keep attractive hardwood piece separate. Over time, this small piece can become a valuable source of material for small products. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's project? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me which country you are watching us from. If you love decor and woodworking, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your DIY loving friends and family. And let's inspire more people to create something beautiful with their own hands. Turn mistakes into new products. Even mistakes don't always have to become waste. A piece that is too short for one project may be perfect for another. A damaged section may be cut away and used for a smaller item. This does not mean using unsafe material. It means learning to see possibility in pieces that don't fit your original plan. Design around the wood. Instead of always forcing the wood to fit your design, sometimes design the product around the wood you have. A long offcut could become a shelf, a short thick piece could become a stand, a several small piece could become a decorative panel. Letting the materials inspire the design can lead to unique products. Create small products faster. A larger furniture can take a day to complete. Small projects can often complete much faster. This gives you more opportunity to test design and see what customers like. If one small product becomes popular, you can make more of it. Make your workshop more efficient. Double profit thinking is not just about selling more, it's all about working smarter. Plan your cuts before you start. Think about what piece will remain. Decide where this piece could be used. Good planning can reduce waste and save time. Focus on high value smart product. Small does not automatically mean low value. A carefully finished wood organizer can look premium. A beautiful survey tray can become a desirable gift. A well-designed wall shelf can become a stylish home decor piece. The value comes from the design, usefulness, craftsmanship, and presentation, not simply the amount of wood you used. Add the personalization. Personalization can make small woodworking products even more appealing. Names, initials, simple messages, dates, custom size. This detail can turn an ordinary wood into a meaningful gift. Create seasonal products. You can also adapt your workshop projects to different seasons. Holiday decorations, wedding gifts, housewarming, setting, garden accessories, back to school organizers. Seasonal products can give your workshop new opportunities throughout the year. The photography products as sets. If you are selling online, don't always show individual products. Photograph matching pieces together. A table with a matching coaster look more valuable than a table photographed by itself. A shelf with matching accessory tells a better story. Show customers that the complete collection could look like in their home. Create different piece level. Not every customer has the same budget. That's why a product collection can be useful. Offer small items, offer medium items, offer a premium version. You can even create a complete set for customers who want everything too much. Build a recognizable style. If you replicated use the same design language, customers begin to recognize your work. Maybe your style is rustic, maybe it's minimalist, maybe it's industrial, maybe it's wooden reclaimed wood. The recognizable style can help turn individual product into recognizable woodworking brand. Here is a bonus lesson. The biggest lesson here is simple. Don't measure your workshop success only by how much wood you buy. Think about how much value you can create from that material. One board might become a shelf, the offcuts might become a smaller organizer, another piece might become a coaster, and several small pieces might become a decorative set. That's how a single material purchase can create multiple products. The environmental impact. There is also a positive environmental side to this approach. Using more of each piece wood means less useful material end up as waste. Reclaimed and leftover materials can be given a second life when you are suitable and safe. Good woodworking is not only about making beautiful things, it's all about respecting the materials at the end. So the next time you are working on woodworking project, don't look only at the final product, look at every left behind. Those small pieces can be your next product, your next gift idea, your next bestseller, or even the beginning of an entire new product line. The future of woodworking is not just about making more, it's about wasting less and creating more value from what you already have. Start with one product, plan your materials carefully, save the useful offcuts, turn them into something else, and keep experimenting. If you enjoy this idea, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so that more woodworking project, profitable craft idea, reclaimed wood project, and creative furniture inspiration are there. And tell us in the comment section product what woodworking product will turn into a second profitable product. Thanks for watching, keep creating, and remember, one piece of wood can hold more than one opportunity. Thank you. Stay safe, stay blessed.